Are you a healthcare provider looking to empower your Black patients to better advocate for themselves in healthcare? Well, today we're sharing 3 strategies that can help you reduce health disparities and promote healthcare for all. Hello, I'm Tanisha Campbell and welcome to our channel. At Enhance Black Women's Health, we're committed to promoting health equity and reducing health disparities in healthcare. And in this video, we'll share 3 strategies that healthcare providers can use to empower Black patients to advocate for themselves in healthcare. But before we dive into those strategies, watch until the end for a bonus tip that can help you better support your patients and advocate for systemic change. And while watching, let us know in the comments what you think are some of the root causes of health disparities in African American communities. Now, let's dive into 3 strategies for healthcare providers to empower Black patients to advocate for themselves in healthcare. Tip number 1 is to prioritize effective communication with your patients. Building trust with your Black patients is critical in helping them feel empowered to advocate for themselves. You can encourage them to ask questions, share their concerns, and provide feedback. Plus, building that trust helps ensure your patients are on the same page regarding their healthcare goals and treatment plan. Tip number 2 is for patients to know their rights as a patient. As a patient, you have the right to access healthcare services that are free from discrimination based on race, ethnicity, gender, or any other factor. And by knowing their rights, your patients will feel more empowered to speak up when those rights are being violated. And if needed, they must know how they can file a complaint if they believe those rights are being violated. Now, this can be a touchy subject, and I want to be very clear that we should encourage people to communicate their concerns directly with their healthcare providers before filing complaints. However, if those providers aren't taking their concerns seriously, then those providers need to be held accountable. Tip number 3 is for healthcare providers to provide adequate resources and support. Avoid making assumptions about what your patients know or don't know. Instead, take the time to ask questions and provide help. This can be anything from partnering with a local patient advocacy organization to hosting an online support group. The key here is to provide patients with resources that allow them to make informed decisions and navigate the healthcare system more effectively. By doing this, you'll empower your Black patients to advocate for themselves, which can help combat health disparities and promote better health outcomes. Thus, educating our patients about better advocating for themselves is critical for addressing health disparities in African American communities. So, to summarize, healthcare providers can empower Black patients to better advocate for themselves by prioritizing effective communication, educating them about their rights, and providing adequate resources and support. Now for that bonus tip we've been hitting at. As we've mentioned, education is a powerful tool. Educate your patients about the root causes of health disparities in African American communities is a great way that can help them understand the social determinants of health that contribute to these disparities, and this can empower them to advocate more for systemic change. And if you're interested in learning more about how you can promote health equity in your practice, download our free Health Equity in Practice Guide today, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more tips and resources on promoting health equity. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest videos, and together we can enhance Black women's health and create a better future for us all. Enhance Black women's health. Subscribe now.